Okay, I want us to talk about, I want us to look at cofactor. Cofactor. So give me your ears. I want to explain cofactor to you, but I want to let you know that you understand all these topics better with questions. Eh? But I can't just give you questions without giving you the concept of that topic or giving you introductions. Should I say preamble to these topics? So these are the requisite basis of this cofactor. So I want to do it today now. Look up. One thing I wanted to know about cofactor. First of all, I want you to learn this. Plus, minus, plus. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. I want you to know this. No, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, this. Good. Having known that, when you have three, one, so for instance, when you have 3, 1 minus 2, 4, 3, let me say 6, 1, 2, 4. Now, I want you to know that this cofactor relates to determinant, that is, first of all, simultaneous equation. We can solve questions on simultaneous equation using cofactor. So, we call this here plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. If we are to find this, you're going to apply this format. So when we apply this now, that means we only have plus 3, 6, minus 2, and plus 4 left. Do you get? What do I mean? Let me show you. We have plus 1 minus 2 plus, we have minus 4, we have plus 3, we have minus 6, we have plus 1, we have minus 2, we have 4 plus, right? It's going to be like this. That's what I meant. So we only have, we have 3, 6, 2, 4. Did you get? So to resolve this one now, we're going to have this will give us 3 times 4 will give us what? We have 12, right? But let's just finish. Since we have something like this, and you know here is going to be what? Plus 3. Hope you know. It's going to be what? Plus 3. If we are to continue using this format, 3, 1 minus 2, 4, 3, 6, 1, 2, 4. If I'm to go this way, I'm going to have minus 1, 4, 6, 1, 4. Don't get me wrong, I'm explaining, I'm not solving anything, I'm trying to explain something to you. Let me continue here. Plus 3, just stay with me. I'm coming. Minus 1, 4, 6, 1, 4. So now, the next one now, where should I do this now? Okay, let me just do it over here. We have 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 1, 2, 4. Next one now will be like this. So what we have left here is what? And here is plus. We have plus 2, then 4, 3, 1, 2. Now let me explain. The essence of these signs is for place like this. The reason for this sign is this: plus 3 minus 1 plus 2. Do you get? So at 3, we have plus on top. That is why we have plus 3 here. When we arrive at this place, 1, Though no sign beside it or after it. No sign before it and after it, but you have a sign on top. That is the essence of cofactor. Did you get? So on top of it, we have minus one. We have minus. That is why we have minus one here. Did you get? Now when we get to this, when we arrive at two, though it is minus two, there is sign before the two, but there's a sign on top of it. That sign now is the determinant of this. That means this minus two is a subset of this plus here. Do you get? So that is why we put plus two. So if we are to resolve this thing now, it's going to be plus 3. Then this is going to be 3 times 4 minus 6 times 2. Then minus 1. Okay, let's do it separately. Then minus 1 in bracket 4 times 4 minus 6 times 1. 4 plus 2, we have 4 times 2 minus 3 times 1. So this one gave what? Here, 12. That is 0 times this. This one gave 0. And this one is what? 16 minus 4, we have 10. 16 minus 6, 10. Minus 1 times. And here we have 4 times 2, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 times 2, 10. Did you get? But there's something I want to explain here. When this thing connects to simultaneous equation, we have A1. I want to tell you something again. We have, don't forget A11, A12, A21, A22. Remember when I taught you something like this, right? Good. So if you have delta equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. So to have a cofactor now, that means this thing will be replaced with, over here, we have C1, A12, C2, we have A22. I don't know whether you are getting me. That is, we want to talk about delta x now. S will be replaced, to obtain S now. We have this thing now replaced by this. Let me still show you something again. Let me show you something again over here. When you have A11 x plus A12, just like we have over there, y, it will be equals to C1. When you have A21 x plus A22 y, it will be equals to C2. What do I mean? Take for instance, we have 2x plus, let me say, y equals to 3, whatever, and 4x plus 3y equals to 6. Do you get the point now? I'm trying to let you understand some things about cofactor and as it connects to simultaneous equation before we start going into 2 unknowns, 3 unknowns, before we start talking about Cramer's rule. So this teaching now may confuse you, I know, but I just want you to have an insight into what I'm about to show you later. Did you understand my point now? So, but the first thing I want you to get, which you've gotten, is plus, minus, plus, right? You've gotten that. Again, based on what I've shown you here, based on what I show you here, in cofactor, I show something like about delta, right? And I show you something like delta S, right? Do you know? Okay, just let me stop here. We're going to have another version of this so that you understand it better. So thanks for watching.